I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Facebook account linked to the Messenger threads you need, and sign in on a desktop browser because the download tool is desktop only. Once done, make sure both Messenger and Facebook apps are updated so there are no version conflicts. Next, navigate to Settings, choose your Facebook information, and select Download Your Information. This is the first actionable step because Messenger stores synced messages in your Facebook archive. Requesting the archive begins recovery. Now configure the export precisely. Pick Messages Only, choose the date range covering the lost sync messages, and pick HTML for readable output. Once configured, request the file and Facebook will prepare an archive. Preparation can take minutes to hours depending on message volume, so be patient. You may be prompted to verify your identity via password or two-factor authentication. Complete that step to unlock the download. Keep the browser open and do not cancel the request, because when Facebook marks your file ready, download the zip using the same account and extract it to a secure folder. Open Messages. HTML to locate the conversation and attachments folder for media. Once opened, search for thread names or participant names, then copy or forward the recovered text and media manually back into Messenger or save locally for record keeping. If content still seems missing, check the archived folder in Messenger and rerun the data request with a wider date range, and only then contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.